out here at the San Rafael Swell. It's just outside of Green River, Utah, to showcase to the media the all-new R-Max 41000. The reason we came out here too, not only because you have beautiful scenery all the way throughout, but the trails are just perfect. They're so diverse, so it really gets to showcase the versatility of the R-Max 41000 when you get rock crawling, tight wooded stuff, some sand washes, pretty much everything in between. It's the perfect place to be able to come out here and just show how nimble that R-Max 41000 is. These vehicles are also equipped with a lot of Yamaha genuine accessories, so not only am I very excited to hear what they think about those since we developed them in line with our vehicles, but even just get to hear what they think while they're behind the wheel of the all-new R-Max 41000.
Really digging the R-Max 4 today here in Utah. It's been a blast. Power-wise, it's really great for this kind of tight, flowy sand washes we've been in. There's some great rock sections that we've crawled already and really got to use the diff lock, which was really cool. There's also a crawl mode for the ignition, which is really cool if you're in that rough, rocky stuff that you want to calm the motor down. That was cool.
We've gone through ascents and descents with rock shelves and a lot of G-outs, as well as some really flowy but tight two-track. And to me, it's handled every single challenge very well, very responsive.
It has the EPS switch now, which is totally new this year. Has 3 different settings, and it makes a big difference when you're driving, whether you're driving in the high-speed stuff and you turn it stiff so the car feels planted, or you turn it softer so it steers a little quicker, and the tight stuff, and it just really reacts and goes around the tight corners really good and gives you a lot of feel. That's one of the really good options. I'm glad they added that I never knew I needed.
It's the height of 1921 luxury right here, buddy.
Places you can get in a side-by-side. Pretty cool.
I definitely know that amongst the group we all agree that the 2025 suspension on the R-Max is really forgiving. It has a really nice range, and truly it makes the ride a lot more comfortable.
Yamaha and Fox really did a great job on this. It's more plush than vehicles in the past, but also able to take the big hits from G-outs or rain rut. Very comfortable and confidence-inspiring in rough terrain. And they've added full-size seats in the back. I sat back there, I'm 6'1", very comfortable. Everything fits just great. This is really set up well for 4 full-size adults. It's a great addition to the fleet for Yamaha.
We just got done riding Green River, and this was the most fun I've had so far. After riding this thing in tight technical trails and the rocks, I'm a convert. I gotta have one.